Hello, welcome. In this short video, let us look at an example illustrating the representation of an endpoint sequence on a circle. So, we'll look at an example on representation of an endpoint sequence on a circle. We'll also look at some shifting operations on the circle, that is, we'll look at circular shifting both in positive direction and negative direction, or clockwise and anti-clockwise. So consider a simple sequence x of n given as 1 3 2 4 1 3 2 4. So a 4-point sequence. So we can represent this sequence, this 4-point sequence on a circle. We can represent this sequence x of n on this circle x of n. Since there are 4 values, we can represent them on this circle with a spacing of 360 by 4, that is 90 degrees, or 2 pi by 4, that is pi by 2 radians. So the first number comes here, x of 0. Second one comes at 90 degrees, that is x of 1. And the third one comes at x of 2. It's at the 180 degrees. And the last one at 270 degrees, x of 3. So x of 0 is 1, x of 1 is 3, x of 2 is 2, and x of 3 is 4. So this is the representation of the sequence x of n on a circle. So if there are values other than 4, that is, say for example n is equal to 6, then we have to place these numbers at a spacing of 2 pi by 6, that is pi by 3 radians, which is equivalent to 60 degrees. That is, we have to place the numbers based on the number of values available in the endpoint sequence, or basically on the value, basically depends on the value n. So if n is equal to 4, the spacing will be 90 degrees, n equal to 6, it will be 60 degrees, and so on. Therefore, angular spacing is given by 2 pi by n radians. Now given the sequence x of n, it is x of 0 here, x of 1 here, x of 2, and the last one x of 3. Now we can determine, or we can plot the values of x of n minus 1 mod 4. That is, since there are 4 values, we have mod 4 and n minus 1, that is, we have to shift the values by 1 point. Now in this case, on the circles, we write x of 3 first, x of 0 second, that is x of 0 is moved to next slot, that is it moves by 2 pi by n, that is pi by 2 radians, or 90 degrees. And x of 1 moves to 180 degrees, and x of 2 moves to 270 degrees, and x of 3 already moved to 0 degrees. So this is shifting by 1 point in the anti-clockwise direction. So similarly we can write x of n minus 2 mod 4. That means we have to shift this sequence by one more step, that is one more step in the anti-clockwise direction. So the first value will be x of 2, second value will be x of 3, x of 0 moves to 180 degrees, and x of 1 moves to 270 degrees. So that is the circular shifting by 2 points. And similarly we can also do x of n minus 3 mod 4. That means x of 2 will come here, and x of 1 will be here, x of 2, x of 3 comes to 180 degrees, and x of 0, that is the first value, comes to the 4th position, or the 4th slot. So this is the circular shifting, or delay by 3 points. So let us try to understand this shifting in details, that is basically n minus 1 mod 4. So what is this operation? For example, when n is equal to 0, it will be equal to 0 minus 1 mod 4, which is nothing but minus 1 mod 4. And upon calculation, it will be equal to 3, because the gap between the previous multiple, that is minus 4 and minus 1, is 3. Minus 1 and the previous multiple, that is minus 4, is clearly equal to 3. So that is why minus 1 mod 4 is equal to 4. That is why minus 1 mod 4 is equal to 3. Similarly, for n is equal to 1, we have 1 minus 1 that is 0 mod 4. 0 mod 4, which is obviously equal to 0 because 0 is a multiple of 4. Now n equal to 2 means 2 minus 1 mod 4, that is 1 mod 4, which is clearly equal to the value itself, that is 1. And similarly for n equal to 3, we will get 3 minus 1 mod 4, that will be 2. That is n is equal to 3. We have 3 minus 1 mod 4, which is 2 mod 4, which is clearly equal to 2, and so on. So clearly for n equal to 4, we will have 4 minus 1, that is 3 mod 4, that will be equal to 3. So that means n equal to 0, the first value will be from x of 3, and n equal to 1, the second value will be from x of 0, and n equal to 2 will have x of 1, n equal to 3 will have x of 2. So if you observe, x of n minus 1 mod 4, that is what we have here. That is the value at first position will be x of 3, second position x of 0, and third one x of 1, and the final one x of 2. So for representation on a circle, therefore the shifting of this sequence x of n minus k mod n, that is for a general for a general value of n, x of n minus k mod n, it can be determined by rotation of the circle by 2 pi k by n radians in anti-clockwise direction. So similarly for x of n plus k mod n, that is like an advance, we can determine the values by rotation. Again, rotation of the circle by the again same angle 2 pi k by n radians, but in the clockwise direction, that is it will be rotated in the clockwise direction. So we can determine the values of x of n plus k mod n, that is circular advancing, by using a rotation of the circle by 2 pi k by n radians in the clockwise direction. That is, for example, x of n originally has x of 0 here, x of 1 here, x of 2 here, and x of 3 here. Now x of n plus 1 mod 4, that is advance or circular advance of this sequence, can be determined by simply rotating the circle by 90 degrees in clockwise direction. That is, we have x of 1 here, x of 0 here, x of 3 here, and finally x of 2 here. So everything has moved in clockwise direction, that is, we move this circle in clockwise direction, we get x of n plus 1 mod 4. Similarly, x of n plus k mod 4 will be clockwise rotation by 2 pi k by 4, or in general it will be 2 pi k by n radians. So to summarize, we can represent endpoint sequences on a circle, and the spacing between each point will be given by 2 pi by n radians, where n is the number of data points. And now we can shift the sequences by simply rotating the circle. For example, for delay or circular delay, we need to rotate the circle in anti-clockwise direction, again by an angle 2 pi k by n radians. And similarly for the circular advance, that is, we want to advance the sequence, then we have to rotate the circle in clockwise direction, again by the same angle, that is 2 pi k by n radians. Thanks for watching.